In this video, I show you how to assemble a very effective exposure unit from items readily available on Amazon.com. Nice thing about this DIY project is that it does not require any tools or modifying any of the items. They will all function as intended after you're done using them to make your StencilPro stencil. As you can see, you simply clip on your shop light to your box and you're ready to go. Be sure to check out the description below for exposure times, bulb specifications, and sources for all the items used in this video. Let's start with unpacking the black foldable box. The box serves several purposes. Blocks out stray light that can affect quality of your exposure and timing. Lid blocks out light after exposing. Convenient storage for all your silkscreening supplies and equipment. And mainly, use as a stand for your clip-on shop light. Let's get started. Remember to perform these steps in subdued lighting or use a yellow bug light. First, place a sheet of black foam headliner on the bottom of your box or on your tabletop, whatever you find most convenient. Be sure the black side is up and the foam is approximately 10 by 12 inches. Next goes your sheet of StencilPro. Either side, it doesn't matter. Now place your artwork upside down onto StencilPro. Printed side should make direct contact with StencilPro. Be sure to print your artwork on waterproof inkjet transparency film. Finally, place a piece of 10 by 12 inch glass on top of the transparency film. We recommend 3/8 inch thick piece of glass because the weight will help press all the layers tightly together. Although thinner glass will work in conjunction with snack bag clips. You're now set to expose your film. Sunlight or artificial light, your choice. Be sure to check out the description below for more information and links to suppliers. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on our expanding Basic StencilPro series and much more.